We are going to go over some vocabulary words that you will see when you read Jack's Birdhouse. So here are some of the vocabulary words that you will learn today. Number 1, birdhouse. A birdhouse is a little house made by humans for birds to build their nest. Like this. Number 2, pencil. A pencil is a long and thin writing tool. You're probably going to use one today and you've been using one since you're in school. Number 3, a ruler. A ruler is a tool that measures the length of something. Number 4, the word is fourth. Fourth means the next one coming after third. So if you're looking at a line of ducks, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fourth one. Next one, number 5, it's second. Second means coming after first. This duck is second in line. Number 6, nails. Nails are thin metal rods with one sharp side and one flat side. Number 7, wood. Wood is building material made from trees. Number 8, the word is third. Third comes after second. Again, looking at these line of ducks, this is the third duck in line.